Hey, what's going on, guys and girls? My name's Justin. Welcome to BitZone. Today we're going to be talking about a simple and easy Kraken trading bot because that's what you're searching for. So, Kraken is, if that's your exchange of choice, that's a great exchange. And you want to know, is there any options to automate your trading to be able to multiply Bitcoin through Kraken? And so yes, there is, and let's get into it in this video. But before I do, real quick disclaimer, you're gonna see some trades. I'm gonna show you some example of some trades, and you're gonna see some income. You're gonna see some closes on some trades, and there's no guarantee of income. Um, just because I've seen some results does not mean you're going to. Um, so there's no future guarantee of income as well. So let's get into this simple and easy Kraken trading bot. So all we have to do is log in, click My Robots, click Add Robot, and then we're going to do Kraken 1. And we just click Kraken, then we select the Kraken API key. Now I don't have a Kraken account, so um, it's not going to go further for me. However, I do have a Binance account, and if I use my Binance API, um, it'll show up as the same thing. So if you use Kraken, this is what the next one is. So it'll select a robot. So here's your automatic robot options as far as Kraken. So now there's another option over here called a hybrid that we'll go over in just a moment. However, what's really cool about this platform that you can learn more about at justinleontemple.com in the description below. But what's cool about this is that you get 4 different kinds of bots. There are different membership levels, but the one I'm at, I get all 5 different kinds of bots actually. So let me explain these different bots. The HPSI bot is going to be a high risk bot that's like if you decide to have this bot trade $2,000 worth of Bitcoin, it's going to make approximately $100 trades successfully at 1% profit. However, it's going to use that whole $2,000 balance right away. Like it's not going to use it right away. It's going to wait for certain indicators to line up. However, it's going to use all that balance, even before one of the trades closes. So, a trade could close before that happens. That's very possible. However, I'm just trying to say that it's going to use all of the pieces of the pie before and then as that happens, you're going to be getting pieces of pie with profit. So the win-win bot is the exact opposite. It's actually a different algorithm. Um, and this bot right here works very good in a bullish market. This HPSI bot is not very good during a bearish market. However, the win-win bot is very good during a bearish market. It's very good overall in all kinds of categories and all kinds of weight classes that you could put a bot into. The win-win really covers everything and is able to do it all more intelligently. So the win-win is really what you want to be setting up more than the HPSI, in my opinion. It's also less risk. So, for example, if you have $2,000 trading in the win-win bot, instead of trading, instead of putting $100 into this coin, that coin, this coin, that coin, like this bot, the win-win will actually just put $200 into one coin, complete that trade, collect the profit, and then it'll make one more trade, and then it'll close that trade, you collect your profit, and then it'll do one more trade again. Okay? And then the win-win bot 2.0 is the same thing as the win-win, but it requires one whole Bitcoin. Okay? This requires one whole Bitcoin. So that way, instead of trading, a smaller amount, you're actually, uh, trading with, several $100s, if not $1,000 or $2,000 at one time per one trade that closes at 1% profit, if not higher. So, okay, so then you got the win-win alt, which is the same thing. You can apply the 2.0 strategy, which requires one Bitcoin, and then you can specifically stack Ethereum, Dash, XRP, Litecoin, XLM, XMR, and Neo. Okay, so this all works on Kraken right here, and then this is all really cool and exciting. If you have questions, just let me know in the comments or reach out to me. My email was at the beginning of the video, but let's see. There's not much to explain, so other than let's go into the last kind of bot that you can use, which is going to be the hybrid. Okay, so the hybrid works on Kraken as well. I don't have an API key, so we're going to use Binance for the example, but it does work on Kraken. So we're going to choose our Binance API, and then let's say we want to trade Batcoin. Okay. Now, uh, this bot, now real quick, let me go to these other bots real quick. Again, whoops, my robots, add robot. So let me get back to them. Binance here. So these bots right here, these are all automatic. Okay, this is very important. These are bots that when you set up, like when I click win-win and I click add bot, it's set up. Well, I need to put a name in there, but it's already set up, so it's not that hard. I know a lot of trading bots, they're very complicated. This is literally connect your API, choose what bot you want, and click add bot. Okay, that's how well this works. But all these are completely automatic in the background. You don't have to do anything. This bot is good to know when to turn on and when to turn off. However, the rest of them are completely, you can completely forget about them. And so the hybrid is going to be a mixture between the automatic and manual trading. So again, this works on Kraken. I need to use Binance because I don't have a Kraken API set up. But we're going to use, we're going to trade Batcoin, and then, so come on. So let's say, now this bot, so the other two bots I showed you are great for people that just want to automatically have their trading done for them. The win-win bot is the best one. This hybrid bot is a bot that is great for people that want to trade, day trade, and that want to be involved hands-on with making money. So what you're able to do is set your indicators like this. Exit that one. I'm going to do I like to do my indicators like this. Okay. And however you like to trade, you can trade how you want to trade. However, if you don't know how to trade or you want to know more about trading, I recommend you visit my website, freecryptouniversity.com, where I teach over an hour's worth of candle chart reading, And it's more specifically about helpful and useful candle chart reading. It's not a bunch of day trading mumbo jumbo. It's actual like how to do it and stuff like that. But I don't know why my computer's taking so long. Couldn't find it. It's weird. Okay, refresh. There we go. So this is freecryptouniversity.com. You're going to get your free training right here. And so that'll teach you about day trading, about how to set up your lines and stuff like that, and how I like to do it. And it works very well. Okay. So, but I'm not going to really do all that right now. But I'm just going to show you how easy it is to trade with this bot on Kraken. So, um, let's say now this isn't the time to buy. This is the time to buy in here on the 1 day. But if we go to the 1 hour, on the 1 hour, it's time to buy right here. The pink is below blue. The RSI is below the dashed line, so this would have been a good buy. So let's say that we wanted to buy, let's say, okay, we want to buy on this candle, the green one, because we think it's going to go up. So we're going to buy at 4420. So 4420, okay? And then we're going to put our stop loss percent at 100. What this means is that if when I order this trade or when this trade happens, if the trade drops 100%, the bot's going to sell that trade for me. I'm going to end up with this much Bitcoin left over, and it's basically like cutting your losses. Okay, so you just always set this to 100% unless you know what you're doing. But I highly suggest you just leave it on 100% because if you know what you're doing, you should be buying how I teach you how to buy. Okay. And then you choose how much Bitcoin you want to invest. The minimum investment is 0.005. And then it's going to populate this for you. And then you're going to choose what percent you want to stop this trade at, or what profit percent you want to stop the trade at. So let's say I buy right here, and I want to have the trade complete at 8% profit. And so what's going to happen is this bot, when I click add hybrid, this trading bot on Kraken will actually trade this order at 8% for me right here. Okay? Or wherever 8% is. Okay, so I don't have to worry about the sell. So that way, oh, this is current time. But so let's go back a little bit. So let's say, for example, right here, we're on the 1 hour. We're going. We're just going. Everything seems to, oh, okay, that's the huge rise. I'm trying to show you when a good time to buy is. Like right here, the RSI is below. So you make a buy right here, and you set it to, 3%. You can set everything to 3% for as long as you trade for a year, and you're good. Like everything will close as long as you buy anything below the RSI right here. So you buy right here, set it at 3%, it sells. Buy right here, sell it, set it at 3%, it's going to sell. So that is a Kraken trading bot, very simply. All right, I appreciate you watching this video. And if you have more questions, you're more than welcome to email me. You're more than welcome to comment below. And if you want to learn more, visit justinleontemple.com. And again, disclaimer, no guarantee of income. just because this bot works very well does not mean um, you're going to have all the same results as some other people. So with that being said, um, on the next page, or actually, when you visit Free Crypto, um, when you visit justinleontemple.com, you will see the back office of this trading bot, and you will see more of like um, the trades closing and the percentage of close, and you'll see a lot more of the money that's being made um, for us with this trading bot. But I appreciate you being here, and make it a great day. Make sure to like, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notifications. And I will see you on the next video, my friends.